Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today, on behalf of Mystical Minds, we'd like to thank everybody for listening and subscribing to our channel. From the bottom of our hearts, with love from Jamie Girard and Danny Girard. We really appreciate it. And today's a special day, especially for myself, and I'm sure Danny. We've completed 95 Poetic Cues. We've read every poem, and now what I've done is I've put it all together into one video. So if you're on a long trip or something, you can just push play and listen to the whole thing. I really hope you enjoy it. Thank you. And again, from the bottom of our hearts, myself, Jamie Girard, and Danny Girard, thank you so much for listening and subscribing to our channel. We really appreciate it. For today, what we have done is put together 10 of the poems from 95 Poetic Cues. So I hope you enjoy it. And tomorrow, I'll start reading 55 Poetic Cues. So until then, I hope you have a beautiful day and enjoy the 10 poems. Thank you so much.